On 1.1.9, we are given Tn is equals to a multiplied by r to the power n minus 1. And from this formula, we are asked to make n the subject of the formula. So we need to isolate n, right? So obviously, the first thing that we're going to do here is to divide both sides by a, because a doesn't form part of the n. It's easy to remove it. A is multiplying at the moment, so we must divide to neutralize it. So we divide both sides by a, and a is gone. So we now have Tn over a is equals to r to the power n minus 1. And ladies and gentlemen, as I said in the previous video, to bring a logarithm down, you must always to bring an exponent down, you always introduce logarithms on both sides of your equation. So we're going to have log of Tna is equals to log of r to the power n minus 1. According to the laws of logs, the exponent can become a coefficient. So we're going to have log Tn over a is equals to the new coefficient, which was our exponent. I'm putting brackets because I have two terms. And then I have log of r. Okay, and then I'm going to do this. I'm going to say divide both sides by a log of r, so that I can isolate the n minus 1 further. Log of r. Why do I divide by log of r? Log of r, it's multiplying what I'm trying to isolate. So I must divide by it on both sides. And then I'm going to have log of Tn over a divided by log of r is equals to, this will cancel that. Then I have n minus 1. And then I have log of Tn over a. And then I have log of r. And then you can see that here I can bring the minus 1 to this side to be plus 1. So here I have plus 1 and then equals to n. And ladies and gentlemen, n is indeed successfully isolated. Someone can go further, but if you leave it like this, it's 100% perfect. But someone can go further and apply laws of log to say, but this can be written as log of the one at the bottom becomes the base, and then the index is Tn over a. Then we have plus 1 equals to n, if you want to represent it as an individual logarithm. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. This is a memory hack that I need you to remember. Logarithms brings powers down to earth. If the unknown is the exponents, call the log police to pull it down. Ladies and gentlemen, if you found this video helpful, please do not forget to share with family and friends. Thank you very much. Aluta continua. Tango. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.